Hello students, today I am going to explain you the physical education syllabus. How many units are there, what is the structure and all. Let's start. Physical education syllabus for class plus 2 is divided in two categories, theory of 70 marks and practical of 30 marks. Let's go with theory syllabus first. In theory part, there are 10 units. The first unit is planning in sports. In this unit, there will be topics which we are going to discuss, and they are meaning and objective of planning, various committees and its responsibilities before, during and after the tournaments, types of tournaments, which kind of tournaments are there. In our syllabus, we will cover knockout, league and their combination. Next is procedure to draw fixtures, knockout with bye and seeding, and league with two methods, staircase and cyclic. Next topic is intramural and extramural, its meaning, objectives and its significance. The last topic of this unit is specific sports programs, which will be covered under this particular unit. Next unit is sports and nutrition. Balanced diet and nutrition with micro and macronutrients is the first topic. In this particular topic, we will cover all the micro and macronutrients which are part of our balanced diet. Next topic is nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet. These are the categorization of the food particles or food components which we intake are categorized in these two different categories, will be discussed under this unit. Next topic is eating for weight control. How we can control our weight by a healthy diet. How we can achieve a healthy weight. Pitfalls of dieting. What can be the consequences if someone do dieting, and food intolerance and food myths. These topics will be covered under this unit. Next is yoga and lifestyle. In this particular unit, the importance and value of yoga will be discussed. How yoga can be a preventive measure for these following lifestyle problems. The first, as per our syllabus, is obesity, second is diabetes, third asthma, fourth hypertension, and the last one is back pain. How specific asanas can help in these lifestyle problems and how to perform all those asanas. Next unit, fourth, is physical education and sports for children with special need. In this particular unit, we will discuss the concept of disability and disorder, types of disability, its causes, nature and preventions. Types of disorder, its causes, nature and prevention. Next topic is disability etiquettes, how one supposed to behave with a person with disability. Next topic is advantage of physical activities for children with special needs, how physical activities are helpful to a child with such special needs. Last topic of this unit which we will be discussing is strategies to make physical activities accessible for children with special need. Next unit is children and women in sports. This is the fifth unit. In this particular unit, the first topic is focused on children, in which we will discuss how the growth and development and motor development takes place, and exercise guidelines at different stages of growth and development. The next topic will be common postural deformities, that which deformities are there. In our syllabus, we will discuss knock knee, flat foot, round shoulders, lordosis, kyphosis, bow legs and scoliosis. Their corrective measures are also part of our syllabus. Next topic is sports participation of women in India. In this particular topic, the situation of Indian participation in all international, national and state level tournaments, and what is the position of women in all these. Next topic is special consideration, maniac, menstrual dysfunctioning. And the last topic will be female athletic trait, osteoporosis, amenorrhea and eating disorders. These topics will be discussed under this unit. Next unit is test and measurement in sports. It's sixth unit. In this particular unit, there are four different tests. In first test, motor fitness test. This particular test is focused on overall motor fitness testing of the kids. The second one is general motor fitness test. Under this particular topic, we are going to do Barrow 3-item general motor ability test. The third topic is measurement of cardiovascular fitness. Under this, there are two different tests. One is Harvard step test and another one is Rockport test. Last is Rickley's and Jones senior citizen fitness test. There are 6 different tests to be conducted with senior citizens to know their fitness level. Next unit is physiology and injuries in sports. It's 7th unit in the syllabus. In this particular unit, we are going to discuss the physiological topics, physiological factors determining components of fitness, effects of exercises on cardiorespiratory system, on muscular system, physiological changes due to aging, how aging takes place, and then sports injuries, its classification and types. Last topic will be first aid, its aims and objectives. Next unit is 8th unit, biomechanics and sports. In this particular unit, we will discuss meaning and importance of biomechanics in sports, types of movements, flexion, extension, abduction and adduction, Newton's laws of motion and their application in sports, and friction and its applications in sports. Next topic is unit 9. In this particular unit, it's about psychology and sports. Psychology, the first topic is what is the meaning of psychology, its definition, its types and traits of human body. Sheldon given 3 different type of human bodies. He explained that, which we will discuss in this particular unit. And human bodies are categorized in another way under Big 5 theory, which we will discuss under this particular unit. Next topic is motivation, its types and techniques. We will discuss in this particular unit. Next is exercise adherence. Next one is strategies to enhancing adherence to exercise. And the last topic will be meaning, concept and type of aggression in sports. How aggression plays a very positive role in sports if it is controlled. The next unit, it's the last unit, training in sports. In this particular unit, we will discuss all the components, how we can train all these fitness components and how it can enhance our sports performance. These components are strength, definition of strength, type and methods to improve strength. Next is endurance, definition, its types and methods how to develop. Next is training and fartlek training. Basically, it's a type to develop speed endurance, which we will discuss in this particular unit. Next is speed, definition, type and method to develop speed. Next is flexibility, definition, type and method to develop flexibility. Coordinative abilities, its definition and types. And the last topic of theory is circuit training, how to perform a circuit training. All these topics will be covered during this session. Now let's discuss practical part. It is of 30 marks. Physical fitness test will be of 6 marks. Proficiency in games and sports will be of 7 marks. Now as you can see here, skill of any one game of choice from the given list. The list is given below. The child have to select one game and that game will be prepared in record file also. The child must learn the skills. He is supposed to execute the skills also during the final practical. Then yoga practice is of 7 marks. We will be practicing yoga, various yoga asanas as we discussed in theory unit also. That will be of 7 marks here. Record file will be of 5 marks. And the last viva voice during the final practical will be of 5 marks. Now these are the games from which a child can opt: basketball, football, kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball, handball, hockey, cricket, bocce and unified basketball. It is kind of basketball for children with special needs. Now, how to prepare record file. In the record file, the students have to explain fitness test administration of all the items. Now, fitness test is related with the test and measurement unit. We'll discuss in that particular class. And second practical, the procedure of asanas, benefits, contradictions of any two asanas of each lifestyle diseases. We'll discuss further in our specific class. Practical 3, procedure to administrating senior citizen fitness test for 5 elderly family members. We will discuss the procedure in the specific class for it. And the last is any one game of your choice out of the list given above, labeled diagrams of the fields and equipments, its rules, terminologies and skills. Let's discuss about the design of question paper. In physical education theory question paper, there will be 20 multiple choice questions and 10 short answers, short questions of category 1. There are 2 short categories. There is no long answer category in physical education. The short answer 1 category will be of 3 marks. Short answer 2 category will be of 5 marks. There will be 10 questions of 3 marks and 4 questions of 5 marks. Total 70 marks and 34 questions. There will be internal choices also. In 1 mark questions, there will be 4 choices. In 3 marks questions, there will be 3 choices. In 5 marks questions, there will be 2 choices. Overall, there are 9 internal choices going to be there in your theory question paper. Best of luck for this particular session, students. Hope all of you are going to achieve best of the results. Thank you.